Good afternoon, guys. It is a beautiful afternoon, if I may add, for cleaning. I honestly just wanted to show you guys how I clean my car and how I take care of it also. And yeah, let's go there now. Oh, and by the way, to those wondering about my Instagram, I'm gonna put the link down below so you can go check that out if you want to. So if my previous viewers can recall, this is my Mercedes 230 CE. And I've had it for about a year now. I think I added around maybe 1,000 kilometers. I'm not really sure because half of its life so far we've been bringing it to the mechanic, so I'm not quite sure how much I've added. And yeah, so let me show you how I clean this thing and get down to the details. So first thing I do before wetting the car actually is I get a microfiber cloth and I try my best to slowly take out some of the dirt. It's a bit tedious, but it's really worth it, especially because the paint job's really good and we don't want it scratched. And PPF is really expensive, and also ceramic coating. Right now I can't really afford to do that. And you also want to clean the interior when you can, because these tend to get dirty, especially the dashboard tends to get dust, and also the wood, if your car does have wood. And lastly, after cleaning, I usually check on the engine bay because it also gathers dust, so you want to watch out for that. It might look clean, but if you look closer, there's a lot of dirt and some sediments there, and there's that thing, whatever that is. Closer here, there's some dust, and I think a bird. Oh god. Okay, great. So I wiped down the whole car already with the microfiber, and no dust to be seen. So that's not gonna stay that long. That's why you gotta wet the car instantly. So let's skip to another time lapse because I'm sure you guys know how to wet a car. When you're washing, you want to get under here, which I'm sure a lot of people know, but to those who don't know, that's a nice indication, because you want to clean that up. There's dirt and grime there, which you want to get rid of. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a bucket and manually just put everything on, like the soap, and we're gonna mix that in, and then just gently place on the soap. Don't scrub it really hard because that's really bad for the paint, in my opinion. So now it's basically the same as the washing process, but as of now I'm just gonna do this, and oh yeah, my whole hand's covered in soot. But yeah, there it is. Well, it's not quite done yet. We're gonna rinse it down a bit and maybe wipe it more. Still gotta work on the mags. But here's a quick montage. Great, now the car is all soaked up. I let it rest already for about a minute or two. We're gonna rinse it down. Car's already rinsed down, and we're gonna grab my I don't know how you pronounce this. I'm not sure if it's chamois or chamwise. Let me know in the comments, because honestly my drivers get mad at me when I say chamois, and then when I say chamwise they get mad at me too, so I don't really know what to call this. I just call it basahan. So so let's wipe it down. Oh, and by the way, when you wipe this down, you gotta make it flat, as in really flat, because the goal of this is to absorb the water and make the car dry like this. See that? Amazing. I'm gonna wipe this down and I'm gonna show you the end result. And now. Okay, great. So my car is fully dried. Well, no, I'm lying. It's not that dry, it's still dripping a bit, but exterior wise it's dried. One thing you should remember also is to clean the inside here, because it always gets wet. It always gets wet. And if you notice, when you open the trunk, oh, there's dripping. There are these parts that you should really look out for, and I missed that. But yeah, so far, that's how I clean my car. If anyone could give me suggestions also on how to improve this, on how to improve on cleaning my car also, that would be great, because I just want my car to look as good as possible. So thank you guys, leave a like and subscribe if you're part of the Slipper gang, and take care.